chasing dreams, didn't know what life would mean. Running wild, hearts full of fire. The world was ours, we reached higher. Every laugh, every tear, we held on through every fear.
Maybe I'm living in Florence, frequent the cafe, teach history at Academy d'Arte, raising a girl who can name every piece by Van Gogh. I'm reaching 24, with dreams in disarray. All my friends have flown, while I battle dismay. Once we laughed till dawn, now they're chasing their stars, while I'm drowning in waves of faded memoirs. Birthday candles flicker, but the wishes feel thin, measuring the silence where my dreams fell within. Thought I'd soar by now, but I'm grounded by doubt. In this crowded room, I feel left out. Oh, why does it sting, this ache in my chest? Each year I grow older, but I'm feeling less blessed. I'm the ghost in the gallery where laughter once rang. While my heart's growing heavier, I feel the void pain. With the light of the room, all my flaws are revealed. Every line on my face tells a tale that's concealed. I watch as they flourish while I linger in the past, clutching fading dreams that slipped away too fast. Birthday wishes fading like leaves in the breeze. Every smile hollow, joy just a tease. I used to have plans, but they slipped through my hands. Now I'm longing for solace, a place where hope stands. Oh, why does it sting, this ache in my chest? Each year I grow older, but I'm feeling less blessed. I'm the ghost in the gallery where laughter once rang. While my heart's growing heavier, I feel the void pain. I feel the void pain. I feel the void pain. I'll lift up a toast to the dreams I still crave, to the roads yet untraveled, the strength yet to save. Though the path may be jagged and darkness may call, I'll try time and again after each fall. Oh, why does it sting, this ache in my chest? Each year I grow older, but I'm feeling less blessed. I'm the ghost in the gallery where laughter once rang. While my heart grows heavier, I feel the void pain. But tomorrow's a promise, a flicker of hope. I'll embrace what I have, learn to stretch and to cope. Though today feels heavy, I'll trust in the climb. I'll turn 24 stronger, ready for what's mine. It's mine. It's mine. I feel the void pain. It's mine. I feel the void Sometimes I look up in the night sky. Do we look at the same star? 'Cause I might be so wrong and I'm feeling so high, I don't even know why I want to try. Maybe because I'll let it die if I roll the dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. I sit and wait for you till I cry. Oh, wonder if we can do it right. 'Cause I might do you wrong when I hold you that tight. Would you wanna drop my hand as I lie? I'm not scared of your goodbye, but I roll that dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. Maybe I'm afraid that one day you'll forget me without even thinking. If you'll miss me lying in your bed thinking that I was the one to love, to give me all of your love. 'Cause maybe that's all I need. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. Please don't ever forget me.
Purpose flower.
The next day. Meanwhile.
Maybe I'm living in New York, taking the subway, drinks with the girls down in Brooklyn on Friday, work at a bookstore, falling for fictional men. Or maybe I'm in Oklahoma, married, we own a blue Chevy pickup, drink Coca-Cola, wear overalls while we're painting the walls in our house. Or just like me.